Hey, it's Angel with Angel's Edge again. I got an unboxing of a Cold Steel Rajah 3. Got it basically kind of a gift, so I got to had to patiently wait, and I got it about a couple weeks ago, about 2 days after Cold Steel sold their company to the GSW, I can't remember, whatever the company is. So I bought this. Well, I got it for a gift and had to wait till Christmas to open it. So I got it. It's cool. So let's unbox it. And of course, I got it because I don't know how rare these things are going to be, and I don't know how, like, with the Cold Steel selling their company, we don't, no one knows exactly what's going to go down. But anyway, so here's what's in the box. They give you a spare clip. That way, it's set up for right hand tip up carry only. Right. Well, this one's only, and then if you'd flip it, it could be left-handed carry. So they give you the clips. Let's say they give you the clip, and looks like the 3 screws you need. They're even they're Loctited with stuff. So you got, it looks like two of them do. I don't know. Anyways, so they give you the hardware to install the clip on, the other side if you want it. Actually, technically, I've never seen someone do it, but technically you could have clip on both sides, but I don't know. But I have it. I'm gonna put it back in the box. But yeah. So let me hold on a second. Alright, I'm back again. Yeah. So here's what the box says. Basically, it says, I'm reading it upside down. Stand behind our product 100%. So basically, that's their warranty, and that's what no one really knows, if how this new company's gonna play out. But anyway, so it has the feature of the triad lock, and this has their version of the wave. Like if you have it in your pocket, you could automatic deploy it. But here's the funky looking blade. It's called a certain type of blade, but honestly I can't remember what it's technically called, so we'll just take a close-up look at it. And it came very sharp. So it's the Rajah 3, and it's got I think they call it the Grivex handle. Cold Steel. Oh, it has the AUS 10. This one has the AUS 10 still instead of AUS 8. So, and here's the clip. It's got everybody complains about the clip. I have not actually wore it yet, so I don't know how tight it'll be, but everybody says real tight. But it dropped. It's pretty good drop. So it's got a nice detent. You can open it one-handed, and like I said, you put this in your pocket, and you could somehow this hooks something, and here, I guess if it's in there, so it'll catch your pants, and it'll like deploy, like basically, like say if this is your pants, I think it'll like catch and bam, it'll be out. So yeah, let's see if it cuts some. I know to cut newspaper because it shaves. I already tested it shaving. I'm sorry?
I saw your wireless charger.
It's a wireless charger.
Your phone charger.
What about it?
Found it.
Oh. So anyway, so here, yeah, see, that's nice. It has that funky blade shape. It just, yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. So, and it feels really nice in the hand. Feels sturdy. It has, I think, I have to look when I go to Amazon, but I believe I want to say it's aluminum on the inside, the handles. Let's go to Amazon here and look. But it has like, let's see, take a look. Let's take a look. Let's see, right, let's go to ammo's on. Oh, yeah, I just noticed that when it popped on today. There's only one left. So if you're watching this on December 26th, or I don't know when I'm going to get the video uploaded, so it'll probably be gone by then. So so anyway, so it's $54.99 on Amazon. So so this is black, and it has 3.5-inch blade, AUS 10. I thought I seen it was like the the Cold Steels are going. They're kind of they're moving because of that company. I don't think no one knows what this company's gonna do with their blade. So I thought I had more stuff here. Let's see, there you go back. Let's go down some more. I could have swore it said it was what the. I might have watched someone else's video on it. It's got 5 stars, 84%, 4 stars, 11. There are actually some people that didn't like it, like 1 star. Oh crap! So I'm not sure. It's not just plastic handles. There's there's a metal reinforcement in there, so it's really tough. Like let me look real quick again. I just don't see it says what the actual handle's made out of on the inside. What does it say? Grivex. It don't really say. Anyways, let me check. I'll show you something real quick. Let's go back here. Pop on the dub screen. Yeah, so I got this Fin Wolf about a month or so. But if you look at this one, it's got. I need to clean it off. The Fin Wolf. It's got all kinds of glue on it right now from opening packages, but yeah, the glue. But anyway, so if you look at this one, this is the other Cold Steel I have. I only got 2 of them right now, probably. But anyways, so if you look at this one, this is straight up plastic handles. There's no metal inside, like the scales. But this is a very lightweight knife. This is also Scandi grind, but anyway, so it's very sharp. But anyways, so I was just showing you that compared to this one. This actually has, if you look in there, you can see there's metal in there. So it is. Let's try this. Let me see. I don't know how much this is might be too bright. If you look in here, you see it reflecting the metal. There you go. The scales are inside, and this one, like I said, it's just straight up. There's just nothing in there. It's just plastic. So this one would be a lot more durable than this one, but they both have the triad lock. And this one has that funky blade. A lot of people are complaining about this, how the blade don't actually all the way go up to the sharpening choil, which is kind of weird, I guess. But it wasn't a deal breaker for me. So, all right. I think that's about it. Like I said, Grivex has a lanyard hole. It's very nice in the hand. Feels good. Feels like you have a lot of grip on it. Cuts really nice. I mean, it comes out of box razor sharp. There's nothing Cold Steel. I just hope they continue. Like I only got a few, so I don't know. But both of them I had, they were both super sharp out of the box. So I guess I don't know his name. I think Len something, the owner of the Cold Steel. I guess he's going to still be a consultant with the other company. So hopefully he keeps it good. So maybe maybe I might buy some more of them. I don't know. So I'm sure there's like a lot other people on the internet just following up on that stuff that are real into knives, and they are a lot more knowledgeable than I am. So I'm sure if their quality goes down, I'm sure the big knife reviewers will be right on that. They'll be on it. I'm probably I'm not the last to know, but I'm not like on the cutting edge though when it comes to buying the brand new knives. I get it when I get the chance and get the money. So this was pretty nice knife I wanted for a while, and I got it, and I like it. It's sharp, feels good in the hand, and not much. I mean, you ask for more than that, but I like it, and it's what I expected, and so. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. But if you like videos like this, go ahead and follow Angelo's Edge on follow Angela's Edge. Well, you can go to Instagram and go to follow Angela's Edge. But like, share, and subscribe to my page, Angela's Edge. See ya. Bye.